thank you for clicking on this video. I am Felisa, your host for this post. I'm going to give you a detailed overview of the space. Start with the sectional. So my sectional is from Hoo La La Home. I have the 8-piece oversized with storage, and I absolutely love it. It is so comfortable, and I love the fact that it has storage. All I need to do is raise up these little pieces right here. I have my phone in my hand, and we have like games and stuff in here, and then I would have to put it back on with 2 hands. So let me put it back on. I have to use 2 hands to put the storage back on. So you don't have to have this little piece sticking out. As you can see, all of the actual pieces have storage. All you do is just stick this, I'm using 1 hand, just stick that in there to hide the actual hook to get your top off. I guess I should have took it off a little further for you guys. Let me go ahead and take it off a little further. Yeah, so there you go, right there. We have games in there. Then I have extra cushions and stuff in the other. Yeah, so I have the 8-piece oversized Hoo La La sectional. It's a Victorian, and I have the gray. Sometimes I get kind of blue undertones in my sectional, but it's actually gray. It's actually gray. My pillow, these are pillow covers. These are all from Amazon. I've shown you guys these so many times because I love these. I've used these since the spring. These are so luxurious and so glamorous. Love these. And these are giving me just transitional vibes here, but I like the color. It has a coral peachy like color that I have going on right now in this space. And then I have a ball pillow, which is also from Amazon. Ball pillows are trendy right now. If you haven't gotten yourself one, get you one before they all sell out. Yeah, ball pillow over there. Then I have the same pillows on the end that I have on this end. My wall art is from Mason Art. I know last time I had some aqua going on in here, and everybody said, girl, that is not aqua. That is blue in that wall art. So it all worked out fine. I know it's some peach and coral in there, so I'm good with the peach and coral, right? So my area rug is from Wayfair. I'll link it down below. My coffee table is from Wayfair. I'll have that link down below. I do a lot of switcherooing around here. I originally had this coral stuff in my living room, and now it's here in my family room. The vases are from Z Gallery, as well as the little picks here. The candle holders also from Z Gallery. I have a little small ellipse vase on the bottom shelf, also from Z Gallery. My mirror is from Home Goods. Wall sconces from Amazon, but you also can get them from Wayfair. My lamps here are century lamps from Z Gallery. Accent tables from Z Gallery. This little accent piece here is from Home Goods. And I'm going to go over here to my olive. Is that an olive tree? I don't even know what it's called, guys. But anyway, I like it, from Amazon. And my actual stand is from CB2, but it's no longer sold. Now the wall plaques here, these are called Infinity wall plaques. Those are from Z Gallery. They are also in gold. Wish I had a gold one. I have another one over here on this wall. And then I have this super cute coral or peach magnolias here. These are from Z Gallery. And then I have one of my floor vases, also from Z Gallery. Over here on my entryway, I'm a matchy-matchy girl. And whatever I have on one bookshelf, I have it on the other. So I'll do this bookshelf here. So I have some, first of all, my bookshelves are from CB2. Now the chrome is no longer sold, but I think they have it in the black and the gold. When I purchased these, they were like $100 and something bucks, but the price has like quadrupled because I've had these for about 7 years or so. So yeah, and everything is just going up. But yeah, moving back up to the top, the ceramic books come in gold and white and silver. And I have the silver and white grouped together. These are actually bookends, but I'm using them as books. And then I have some bookends in color. have them enclosed in some bookends. Now these bookends actually came from Home Goods. And whatever I have over here, I have over there. And then I have some ceramic coin bank purses. These come in gold, and this is a smaller one here. And the larger one is on the other side, and I'll go over there and show you the actual larger size. The larger one, I'm going to show you the difference in the sizes, just in case you want to purchase one. So that's the larger one, and that's the smaller one. Not too big of a difference, but there is a difference. So, in my little tropical plant, this is from Amazon. I thought this was so cute. It came in a set. And I wanted to use it in my kitchen, but it's a little bit too small for my island, so I put it there. And it came in a set. Then I have a little candle holder here. I've had this for so many years. And I actually have two. One on the other side. This came from actual Home Goods. Then I have a couple of vase settings here that actually came from Z Gallery. Then I have a little decorative object there, came from Home Goods. And some little decorative balls that came from Home Goods as well. I have my own screensaver going on my TV. I have some screensavers on my YouTube channel. Yeah, and if you're interested, you can check them out. My mirrored fireplace is from Wayfair. Then I have a couple of Ming boxes and a candle. I love this candle. I'm not sure if I ever shared this candle with you guys, but it's one of those Lifeline. Is it called? Yeah, Lifeline candles. All you do is you just take the top off and it comes on, and then it should automatically shoot some some pretend smoke out. I don't know. Yeah, it's coming out now, but I don't know if you can see it. And it smells so good. And you can get different fragrances to put in your candle. The fragrance is at the bottom, and you charge it via USB. I don't know why I always be saying USB, but it's USB. And once you put the top back on, the candle will go off. How awesome is that? I love it. I absolutely love it. And yeah, so my mirror fireplace is from Wayfair, and that's pretty much all that I have. Then I have another little vase over here that's actually from Z Gallery, but it's no longer sold. Super cute. And that pretty much sums up this space. I like that. Look at that turtle. We missed it. It go by so fast. But that pretty much sums up this space. I'm getting my yard cut. You can see my yard man outside. It's such a beautiful day out there, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.